from Brisbane, Australia. I've just been to Novocare and had these put in. It was good, great experience. The staff were friendly, very professional, and I recommend it to anyone.
We decided on Novocare for our dentist work after wonderful support through messaging, emails and Facebook messages as well. Once we got here, it was a wonderful experience with the staff, even on reception, but the doctors were so highly skilled and so much patience. It was unbelievable. Our tourism as well. Kochi's been a fabulous place to holiday. We've been to waterfalls, on boat trips up backwaters and over to Fort Kochi, and even caught a flight up to Delhi and saw the Taj Mahal. So it's been an amazing experience both for dental and